Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share and subscribe my channel. If you are a new viewer, definitely go to our channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking it, then definitely hit that subscribe button. And just wanted to tell you guys today whatever profit we are gonna make from this live trade. I know there is no much margin, but whatever small profits, how much ever rupees I'm gonna make from this particular trade today. As of today, I will be giving it to the the people who need it in my neighborhood or in the roadside. If there is some beggars or some poor people who don't have food, rice, old people, I will give it to their house, or else I will buy them some rice or something and I'll just give them during this bad time. And also, if not, I will try to donate it to the PM funds. I've already donated some money, but if I don't find anybody in few days, then I will definitely give it to PM funds. So I would advise or request you guys, if you are making some profit or something, small portion, 5% or 10% of it at least, give it to some poor people or needy people. Buy them some rice of 5 kg or 10 kg and give them. So it will help them during this period, and even you will feel good during this period. If you do this, automatically your motivation level goes high. You feel, the respect on yourself will go high. So automatically you become better human. So do this small help or else contribute towards PM fund, whether they use it or not, but from your end you will be happy that you help someone. So without wasting time, let's start off with our live trading.
So I've just taken a position in Marico. The market has fallen, yes. So if you see around 1.75%, the market has fallen. Market is in the lower levels. So small corrections can happen in the market. During that small corrections, stocks which are in the positive zone and are in the lower levels. Okay. So if you see RSI and all those are in lower levels, so let me take an advantage from this lower level, so that whenever there is a small spike happening in the stock, I can take an advantage. So this is equity, guys. This is not future or options, and the margin is very less, and therefore there is no margin also. I think they're giving 3 times or 5 times in Zerodha as of now, better than before. So we'll take a small position. If possible, I'll take a position in option also with little bit the remaining capital. So my buy average is around 259.32. 0.3 paisa will be around 75 paisa. So somewhere around 260.10 will be our target. So this is a negative market, guys. Remember, I'm trading based on levels. Okay, I'm not taking a stock which is trending or something. I'm just taking stocks which are in certain levels, and then I'm just giving some time for the stock to breathe, and then the stock to take its turn for the movements. Now let's say the stock has to move towards, now the RSI has reached 49 or 50. Now at least if it can reach again near 70, like you see in these areas, so if it can again go, at least it can come closer to this super trend of 260.64. So I will be getting my 1 rupee over there, which is more than my 0.3%. It was almost reached 260. The high is 261.90. The actual resistance is 260, so it is taking time to break that. If you see, the number of volume is higher in 260, so 260 is a resistance. Next resistance is somewhere around 263 or 264 levels. So yeah, if it can break this level of 260, yes, the stock has a tendency to go up to, let's say, 263, somewhere that area, because that is the next resistance. Either it can be hold over there, or if market supports, it can break. But let's see if it can break first of all this resistance of 260 area. Yeah, you see a little bit of push now, but again quantities are increasing in 260 value. If you see 26 orders, 2400 quantities, 1000 quantities. So we need a good buys from someone. It is melting now. So but still 27 orders are there, but the quantities are decreasing. If you see in the bid side, if you get a little bit of good quantity, it will break those resistance, and after that the high is 261.90 somewhere there. So it's taking time to break this level. You see candles are touching this point again and again, so that is the resistance right now. All right, so if you see it has broken the 260 level and it has gone up to 260.30. So the resistance has been broken as of now, and now it is getting stuck near, let's say, 260.40. Okay, so it has broken our 0.3%. Okay, I can set my um, exit position, because this is MIS order. This is not a cover order or bracket order or something like that. Now this is MIS order. I can put a limit order for my exit position. Let's say around the market is negative, so somewhere here. So if you see, it has been exited right now. 260.25. I had put my order and left it right, so it has triggered. So we'll see if I can take one more trade in another stock. So I've just taken a quick position in Bharti Airtel. So around 441.30, I just taken market value, market price. So from here onwards, a target will be around how much? Let's say 0.3% means around 1 rupee 20 paisa to 1 rupee 30 paisa. So let me add 1 rupee 20 paisa 30 paisa to this. So 441.50, 442.50, around 442.50 is our target for this particular trade. So I'll put in advance, because the market is negative and I'm going to the opposite side. So I'm not expecting big spikes, but at least I'm expecting 0.3 percentage on the trades. All right, so I'm just keeping it ready so that my psychology doesn't make me wait for higher profits. So that was called greediness. So now we will wait aramse for some time, and in few minutes the spikes will hit and we will be getting our profits without worry. All right. All right, guys. Just now the target got hit. So yeah, 0.3% also is done in this particular trade for 42.50, whatever we typed. So I've just taken a position in ZEEL just now. Around 271.58 is the average. I just took on market price. Okay, so again, if you see, ZEEL is in the lower levels. Yes, ZEEL came down for some time and it is bit lower levels, so small corrections can happen. During the small correction I can book my profits. So 271.58, so if we calculate 0.3%, let's say rough calculation 85 paisa somewhere. Okay, so if I calculate it, .58 into 0.3 percentage is 81 paisa. So I'm just adding it to 271.58. So 272.40 is my target. Okay, so we will wait for that 272.40. so I will keep it. Later on I will forget. So 272.40. okay, so once it reaches, it will hit our target. So around here is our target, 0.3%. so the one that is done, we can scalp out that money also from this particular trade. Alright guys, just now Just Dial got sold and finally our profits have reached. So 900 rupees on Just Dial once again. So totally 2000 rupees collection from 3 trades, scalping out our 0.3% target, our basic learning.
I know most of you guys would be getting bored sitting at home, and I know most of them will be doing working from home. Few people have very less work because of the access and all that. So you'll be getting bored thinking what to do during this time, guys. This is the time where you have opportunity to prove yourself. Let it be trading. So learn something in trading, or let it be your favorite hobby, your dance, your story writing, your music, your singing song, or you want to do YouTube channel, you want to do your Instagram page or Facebook page. This is the right time to do all those things because you have time to do that. So think this as an opportunity at home and utilize it in the best way, so that once you go back to office or college, you can work on that. Don't need to put so much of efforts. Okay, so you have a lot of time. Or let it be trading also, you have enough time. So if you have not yet learned equity, go to all YouTube channels, learn all the videos, or from our channel, learn all the videos step by step. And the idea is to practice, not just see the video. Most of them tell me that I saw all your video. It's not about seeing all the video, because I am showing what I know I'm showing, but you are just seeing it, you don't know that. So if you practice that every day, only even you will know what is the reality, and you may get a better answer than me from the market. So utilize this particular time, and trading may looks very easy when we show it, but it is not that easy. All the efforts which we put, all the learnings, so many learnings we did, but when we put only so much of learnings to that particular day. So every day the scenario changes, so don't think it is same. Alright guys, so let's take a position in ZEEL around 127.80, just market price. I just took it up. So let's quickly calculate what is the 0.3%, 127.80. so 27.80 plus 0.3%. So our target should be 128.20. Okay, so this is how you calculate very fast, because I showed you in the first time, I showed you a simple way, but this is how you can calculate faster. So just add your 0.3 percentage, put percentage at the end, the target will get calculated. So 128.20. all right. Okay, it's already gone there, so let's put some number. Oh, no, let's not take risk. $128.30. let's see. Alright, so our target is done. It was a pretty quick one. Okay, so a good catch. I got the stock very soon, so we hit $1,000 in this particular trade. So everything is a small trade because there is no margin also. So 1, 2, 3, 4 trades are done already, so 3,000 rupees in our pocket. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, just now took a position in Auropharma, so for 393.95. so roughly if I put how much, 1 rupee 20 paisa our target, then 95.10, right? So 95.10 or 20 it will come. So let's put it and keep, because we are scalping out, right? So let's say 95.15. so we have set our target, so that after a few minutes, whenever a spike comes, a small spike comes, we will get our target. So it has to go somewhere here. Alright, so before this resistance we will break out here. So we will wait for some time for the stock to go to that area to take our advantage of a 0.3 percentage.
So it has come around 394.90. That's the reason I thought I'll just record it. It has to break 395, then 15 paisa from there on. So yeah, we have to wait for some time. Alright guys, so the breakout has happened. Finally we have hit that particular number. So how much was that? Auropharma 1195. Okay, not bad. So yeah, totally our total has become around 4208. So 1 2 3 4 5 trades, everything we have hit 0.3%. So let's say 500 rupees or 600 rupees will go to the brokerage. Still some amount is remaining in our hand. Alright guys, took a quick position in Hindustan Unilever. So 2157.29 is our buy price. It's a big stock, yes. So let's slowly calculate. 2157.29 to 2157 point, what was the number? 29 in, sorry, plus 0.3%. So 2163.75 somewhere, or let's say 80, 2163.80. 2163.80 is our target. So once it reaches there, it will hit our target and we will be done. So we have to wait for some time for the spikes to happen. So during the spike happening, our target should be done in some point over here. So we have to wait for some time. All right. Alright, the stock has come up to 62.50, closer to our target of 63. So where is our order? 63.80. So it is done. Alright, so just now it got sold around 2163.80. So 0.3% has been achieved. So how much in Hindustan Unilever? Around again 1300 in that particular trade. Okay, so we are done with 1 2 3 4 5 6 trades. So 6 small trades we are done, and you can see the market is still going red. Okay, overall the market is going red and red. It is going down and down, and I'm doing buy side. So the thing is, see, just because the market is falling down doesn't mean you go and blindly do a sell on any stock. Okay, market, you have to see the levels of your stock. Yes, the market is falling, but where is the level of your stock which you're taking? Every stock has different levels. So enter into right levels so that you can take that advantage. I know the advantage towards upside is very less. That's the reason you see I'm hitting 0.3%. After that the stock can fall down, but I'm just taking the advantage of volatility and the movements of up and down. In that I'm just hitting my 0.3, scalping out my money, and that is the beauty of 0.3%. So if I would have not exited my first stock at 0.3%, I would have waited that stock, and the stock is still trading in that levels. Hardly it would have gone 2-3 rupees above from my level, but I would have waited further and further. So whole day I would have waited with 400, 600, 800 profit only. I would have waited in my portfolio, but I just booked my profit. I'm done with my 0.3%. So I just took my next trade of 0.3%. Yes, for a beginners I don't advise taking multiple trades, but considering today is I'm just doing this for the charity, just to give for the needy people, so I thought I will do multiple trades because I'm used to doing 0.3% from years together. So that's the reason it looks easy for me, but it is not that easy. You need to check levels, you need to check a lot of things behind it. There are a lot of things running behind this in my brain. So it needs time and practice. Okay, without knowing technicals, without knowing the psychology of other people trading, you cannot trade easily. So be very careful. Even 0.3% has risk. If the stock goes against you, you can't do anything.